Welcome to our tutorial on sorting Excel worksheets in alphabetical order. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of organizing your worksheet tabs quickly and efficiently using a VBA macro. Sorting worksheets alphabetically is not just about neatness, it's also about efficiency. When your workbooks contain numerous worksheets, finding the right one can be challenging. We'll show you how to automate this process. To begin, open your Excel workbook and head over to the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab, you may need to enable it through Excel's options. Press Alt plus F11 feet or click Visual Basic to access the VBA editor. Once the VBA editor is open, you'll see a menu bar, a toolbox, and potentially some existing modules or forms. We'll be focusing on creating a new module for our macro. In the VBA editor, click on Insert in the menu bar and select Module. This will create a new module in the Project Explorer. Modules are containers for storing macros and code. Now, let's focus on the code window. We'll paste the VBA code that will do the heavy lifting of sorting our worksheets. This code is designed to compare the names of the worksheets and order them alphabetically. The VBA code provided uses a double loop to iterate through each worksheet and compares their names using the uCase function to ensure the comparison is case insensitive. After you've pasted the code, make sure to save your workbook. Saving your work in the VBA editor ensures that your macro is stored and will be available the next time you open the workbook. Switch back to Excel and go to the Developer tab. Click on the Macros button. Find the Sort Worksheets macro in the list. And click Run to execute it. As the macro runs, you'll see your worksheet tabs being reordered in the Excel UI. This process happens in just a few moments, showcasing the power of VBA for automation. You've successfully learned how to sort worksheets in alphabetical order using VBA. This is a valuable skill that can save you a lot of time when managing large workbooks with many worksheets. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and tutorials.